Good day, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Now, as you know that our first semester exam is very near. So, we had finished our lesson for the exam and we are going to do the revision. Okay, teacher will be taking EVS revision lesson one by one, not all together. So, you have to listen very carefully and concentrate in this revision video. If you can answer me in this revision video, your exam is very easy. Okay, children, so let's begin. I'm going to ask you few questions, so you have to concentrate here. Okay, children, and answer me. Teacher may repeat the questions also in different form. Okay, so you have to understand that it can come in the filling the blanks also. The same question can come in true or false also. So teacher is repeating few question here in this video. Okay, and you have to answer all of them. Let's start. Fill in the blanks with correct option given below. We live together as a dash. Now, in lesson number 5, roles of the family, what did I teach you? We live together as a neighbors or as a family? We live together as a family. So, I am going to tick in family. Okay. You have to answer what I have taught you in the lesson. Okay. Each one in the family has a dash role, has a special role or same role. What will come? What I taught you in the lesson, special or same? In the lesson, while teaching, I have taught you each one in the family has a special role, right? Next, either dash or father helps us in our studies. So, what will come here? Either mother or father helps in us in studies or friends. See, here friends may also help you in your studies. Okay, in the school or in the class, the tuition, friends may also help you. But in lesson, what teacher has taught you in the lesson? Mother and father helps us in studies, right? So we are going to tick here mother. Am I clear? Okay. Next, dash tell us stories. Options are grandparents or friends. Now here again, even friends can tell you stories, even grandparents tell you stories, but in the lesson number 5, roles in the family, teacher has taught you that grandparents tells a story. So you are going to take grandparents. Okay, what teacher has taught in the lesson, that you have to remember, and only that answer you have to mark. We can do dash things on our own. Now here we can do few things on our own or many things on our own. We can do many things on our own, right? Yes. Next, choose whether true or false. Okay, you just have to click on true or false. If the sentence is right, put tick mark on true, and if the sentence is wrong, you'll put tick mark on false. Okay, we live together in a family. Sorry, we live together in a family. The answer is true or false? It is true. We live together in a family, right? Mommy is staying different, papa is staying different, you are staying different. No, we live together in a family. What teacher has taught in the lesson? That we live together in a family. Our next question is, each family member has a special role to play. Yes, each family member has a special role to play. So, it is true, right? Next, a child usually helps by cooking food for the family. You are a 6-year-old child, right? Can you cook food for your family? Can you help your mama in cooking food? No, you cannot help in cooking food. but you can do rest other things, right? Like keeping your things on place, keeping your toys on in the place, keeping your books in the place, right? You can help in such things. But here in the question it is asked that a child usually helps by cooking food for the family. No, a child cannot help by cooking food. So this is false. So I am going to tick towards false. Next, only father works to earn money. What teacher has taught in the lesson? Only father works to earn money. No, mother and father both earns money, right? But here only father is given. So this is false. Because mother and father both works to earn money. Not only father in the lesson, right? We should help and love our family members. We should not help and love our family members. We should love, right? So it is true. Next, we all share the work at home. Do we all share the work? Yes. Yes, we do share the work, right? If mama is doing household work, papa will do outside work, right? We all in the family. Sometimes papa can also cook. So here in the lesson, we all share the work, right? It is true. Now, answer in short by choosing the correct answer from the given option. There are two options given again. You have to choose the correct answer. Who helps us in studies? Parents or neighbors? Now here again, neighbors can also help you in your studies. But in the lesson, teacher has taught that parents helps us in studies, right? Yes. So we are going to take parents. Okay. Next. Who cooks food for us? Friends come to your place and your friends come to your place and cook your food? No. Then who will cook? Friends or mother or father? Mother and father, right? Mother and father cook food for us. Who earns money for your family? Who earns money for your family, children? Mother and father or friends? Mother and father. Yes. Very good. Now, answer the following. Just here you don't have to answer anything. You just have to listen what teacher is telling, okay? Write any 3 things your mother does for the family. So, first thing my mother does for the family is she cooks food. Second, she takes care of us. Third, she goes to work. Okay, these 3 things my mother is doing for my family. Next, write 3 things that your father does for the family. Now, what your father does for the family? First, he goes to work. Second, he plays with us. Third, he helps us in our studies. Oh, so these are the 3 things where what your father does for your family, right? Okay, so children, we have finished revision of chapter number 5, roles of the family, right? Now we are going to do the revision of lesson number 7, clothes we wear. Okay, lesson number 6 revision I will take in my next class. And lesson number 7 revision, half I am taking now and half I will be taking in the next class. So you just have to answer my question and listen to the teacher very properly. Now, fill in the blanks with correct option given below. Clothes dash our body. Clothes feed our body or cover our body? Who will answer me? Yes, right. Clothes cover our body. Very good. Next, we wear dash clothes in winter. We wear cotton clothes or we wear woolen clothes. What type of clothes we wear in winter? Winter means it is too cold. So when we are feeling very cold, we'll wear cotton or woolen? Woolen. Very good. We wear dash clothes in summer. Now in summer, we feel very hot. So what will help us to keep our body warm? Sorry, what will help us to keep our body cool? That is cotton clothes. So cotton clothes we wear in summer. Next, we get cotton from plants or animals. Who will tell me? Plants or animals? Plants, cotton plant, right? Yes. Next, we get wool from plants and animals. Animals, yes, we get wool from animals. Very good, children. Now, choose whether true or false. If the statement, the sentence given is correct, you will tick true. If it is not correct, you will tick false. First one. We use animal skin to cover our body. We use animal skin to cover our body? No. So this is false. Next. We get wool from dogs and cats. Is it? Do we get wool from dogs and cats? No. So false. We get wool from sheep, lamb, right? Not dogs and cats. Wrong it is. False. We wear cotton clothes when it rains. Just now in the filling the blanks we have seen. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Right? But here it is given. We wear cotton clothes when it rains. No. False. What we wear when it rains? Who will tell me? We wear raincoat. Very good. Now, raincoat is made of rubber or plastic? Raincoat is made of rubber or plastic? True or false? True. Yes, because it is made up of rubber or plastic. True statement. Next. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. When we feel cold, if we wear woolen clothes, that will keep us warm. True. Next, silk is made from silkworm. Silk is made from silkworm. Yes, true. Very good. Next, we get cotton from animals. We get cotton from animals. Just in the filling the blanks we have learned that we get cotton from plants. But here it is given animals. So this is wrong. So I am going to tick false. Next, answer in short by choosing the correct answer from the given option. Now, you have to tell me that clothes protect us from plants and animals or heat, cold and rain. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Very good. Next, from where do we get silk? See, the question is repeated but in different form. So, from where do we get silk? Earthworm or silkworm? Silkworm. Tick silkworm. You have to tick the correct answer, right? What kind of clothes do we wear in winter? What kind of clothes do we wear in winter, children? Cotton or woolen? Who help us to keep our body warm in winter? Which clothes? Woolen clothes. Very, very good. What kind of clothes do we wear in summer? Cotton or woolen? We wear cotton clothes in summer. Very good. How does raincoats and umbrellas help us to stay dry? To stay dry or to stay wet? How does raincoats and umbrella help us? To stay dry. Okay. Good. Now, this is very nice. See properly, okay? Look at the pictures given below. and choose the correct option. Now, which picture is this? This is a muffler. So this muffler is used in summer or it is used in winter? Muffler is used in winter when we feel cold, right? So you have to take in winter. Look at this picture and tell me which season it is used. This is sweater, right? So sweater is used for summer or winter? Winter. When we feel cold, we use sweater. Good. Next. Now, here is a picture of gumboot. Now, gumboot is used in summer or rainy season? Rainy season. So, I am going to tick in rainy season. Look at this picture and tell me that this is wool, right? We get wool from sheep or we get wool from dog? We get wool from sheep. So, I am going to tick sheep. Very good. So, here we finish with our revision of lesson number 5, roles in the family, and lesson number 7, clothes we wear. So, in our next session, I am going to take the revision of lesson number 6 and few more questions of lesson number 7. Okay, children, you can see this video again and again so that you don't do any mistake during the exam. And you will also learn to read. This very easy words are used. Okay. Thank you. Best of luck.